Atoms, molecules, ions, and compounds all have different structures and distributions of electrical charges. Let's discuss each of them individually. Atoms. Atoms are the basic building blocks of matter. They consist of a central nucleus, which contains protons and neutrons, and a surrounding electron cloud. Protons carry a positive charge, +1, neutrons have no charge, and electrons carry a negative charge, -1. The protons and electrons have equal but opposite charges, resulting in an overall neutral atom. The number of protons in an atom determines its atomic number and defines the element, while the number of neutrons may vary, giving rise to different isotopes. Molecules. Molecules are formed when two or more atoms chemically bond together. In a molecule, the atoms are held together by covalent bonds, which involve the sharing of electrons between atoms. The distribution of electrical charges within a molecule is determined by the electronegativity of the atoms involved in the bond. Electronegativity is a measure of an atom's tendency to attract electrons. In a covalent bond between two different atoms, the more electronegative atom attracts the shared electrons more strongly, resulting in a partial negative charge on that atom and a partial positive charge on the other atom. This separation of charges within a molecule is known as a dipole. Ions. Ions are atoms or molecules that have gained or lost electrons, resulting in a net electrical charge. When an atom gains electrons, it becomes negatively charged and is called an anion. Conversely, when an atom loses electrons, it becomes positively charged and is called a cation. The charge of an ion is indicated by a superscript written next to its chemical symbol. For example, Na+ represents a sodium cation with a +1 charge, while Cl represents a chloride anion with a -1 charge. The distribution of electrical charges within ions is due to the imbalance of protons and electrons. Compounds. Compounds are formed when different elements chemically combine through bonding to create a new substance. The distribution of electrical charges within a compound depends on the types of atoms and the bonding involved. Ionic compounds consist of positively and negatively charged ions held together by electrostatic attractions. The charges are balanced to maintain overall neutrality. Covalent compounds involve the sharing of electrons between atoms, leading to the formation of molecules. The distribution of charges within a covalent compound arises from the electronegativity differences between the atoms involved. In summary, atoms have an equal number of protons and electrons, resulting in a neutral charge. Molecules can have dipoles due to the uneven distribution of electron density. Ions have a net positive or negative charge due to the gain or loss of electrons. Compounds exhibit a range of electrical charge distributions depending on the type of bonding involved, whether ionic or covalent.